Hi all, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn some generally spoken sentences. I hope you would learn some new sentences in multiple languages. This is a unique channel where you can learn to speak English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. 5 languages in one channel. If you wish to learn these languages and speak flawlessly in different languages, then kindly join my channel immediately by subscribing to explore the world of multiple languages. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, get ready to dive into our today's lesson. Let's get started. Number 1. Comb your hair. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. अपने बालों को कंघी करो और अपने बालों में कंघी करो. You can say in any of these ways. Hair means बाल, कंघी means comb. உன்னுடைய தலையை சீவவும். So this is in Tamil. Let's move on to Telugu. Tala duvuko. Duvuko means comb in Telugu. Now let's move on to Kannada. Ninna kudulannu bachu or ninna tale bachko. You can say in any of these ways. Next, open the door. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Darwaza ko kholo. I repeat, darwaza ko kholo. In Tamil, kadavai tirakkavum. Let's learn this in Telugu. Talupuni teravandi. I repeat, talupuni teravandi. Talupu means door. Now let's learn to say this in Kannada. Bagilannu tere. Bagilannu tere. Bagilu means door in Kannada. Now third one, drive the car slowly. In Hindi, गाड़ी को धीरे से चलाओ. गाड़ी को धीरे से चलाओ. In Tamil, காரை மெதுவாக ஓட்டவும். கார் மெதுவா ஓட்டு. In Telugu, నెమ్మదిగా కార్ని నడుపు or నిదానంగా కార్ని నడుపు. You can say in any of these ways. And in Kannada, ಕಾರನ್ನು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸು. ಕಾರನ್ನು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸು. Now next, fourth one, nice to meet you or glad to meet you. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा और आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. You can say in any of these ways. Now let's learn to say this in Tamil. உங்களை சந்தித்ததில் மிக்க மகிழ்ச்சி. Let's move on to Telugu. మిమ్మల్ని కలిసినందుకు సంతోషం. Let's learn this in Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲು ಸಂತೋಷ. I repeat, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲು ಸಂತೋಷ. Now let's move on to the next one. God bless you. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. भगवान आपका भला करे. भगवान is nothing but God in Hindi. Next, in Tamil, கடவுள் உன்னை ஆசீர்வதிக்கட்டும். கடவுள் உன்னை ఆశీర్వదిక్కటం. Let's move on to Telugu. దేవుడు నిన్ను ఆశీర్వదించని. దేవుడు is nothing but God in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ದೇವರು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಲಿ. I repeat, ದೇವರು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಲಿ. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one, where is the nail cutter? Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Nail cutter कहाँ पे है और nail cutter कहाँ है. You can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to Tamil. nail cutter எங்க இருக்கு. In Telugu, nail cutter ఎక్కడ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ means where in Telugu. Now in Kannada, nail cutter ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, which means ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ means where it is. That was my mistake. In Hindi, वह मेरी गलती थी. Galti is nothing but mistake in Hindi. Now in Tamil, அது என்னோட தவறு. அது என்னோட தவறு. தவறு means again mistake. In Telugu, అది నా తప్పు. తప్పు which means mistake in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ಅದು ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು. I repeat, ಅದು ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು. ತಪ್ಪು which means mistake in Kannada. That's all for today. How was today's lesson? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Your just one subscribe means a lot to me. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, bye-bye and thanks for watching.